You can offer your customers PayPal as a payment method at checkout by connecting a PayPal business account to your site. In the home menu, click Settings, then navigate to the Store Payments panel. Scroll down and click Connect PayPal. A pop-up window will appear where you can log into your PayPal business account, upgrade a personal account, or create a new one. If you already have an account, enter its associated email address. When asked, give Squarespace permission to access your account. Once you see the successful authorization message, click Go Back to Squarespace. To withdraw funds from orders, you'll need to verify your new account. Look for an email from PayPal with Confirm your email address in the subject line and follow the instructions. Customers buying your products will see a Continue with PayPal option at checkout and can log in their own account to complete their purchase. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.